This is the line to get the viral dot cakes from Butterfield Market. People have been lined up since 10 a.m.
Spent $300 on dot cakes, so let's try them. We have a lot to try.
Look what
Have one of every single flavor.
Boys have been craving a viral dot cake, aka I've been craving the viral dot cake, so we're about to make it. I'm not gonna lie,
cake
just
thing is
so
so
throw
stupid
down
with what
like
people are
chocolate
obsessing
cake.
over
Classic.
cake with
Classic
sprinkles on it.
Dot cakes are blowing up right now, and we're gonna talk about it. Hi everyone, it's Alia or Cake Legend, and today we're discussing the newest cake trend in the baking industry. Dot cakes are taking over the internet right now and the streets of New York. They originated in a bakery run by a mother-daughter duo. Their cakes have been selling at a grocery store called Butterfield Market for $11 each. Suddenly gaining mass amounts of popularity, everybody was lining up to get one, even waiting up to 3 hours just for one of these rainbow sprinkle cakes in a cup. Now, many other bakeries and home bakers have been hopping on the trend and making their own version of the dot cake. If we break it down, this product isn't that unique or complex. It's made with 4 things: cake, icing, sprinkles, and a cup or container. Almost every single bakery already has these items on hand, so of course they're gonna hop on the trend when it's that easy to do so. Not much extra time or effort needed, and if it's viral, people are gonna buy it. So why are these cakes so popular right now? If they're made with such simple ingredients, what makes them so special? A cake with icing and sprinkles is nothing new. We all know that. But what makes these different is the way they're presented. Completely covering the top in sprinkles makes them fun and eye-catching. Plus, adds a new texture element. You can tap the spoon and you get that satisfying crunch with every bite, which makes these great for content creators. It adds an ASMR component, and we know ASMR is huge. It's the kind of thing that'll make people stop scrolling and watch. I honestly thought that this trend would blow by super quickly and be done by now, but I think it's been a month since I started seeing them pop up in my feed, so they might be sticking around for a while. We've seen trend after trend in the baking world. Fruit pastries, croissant cubes, flat croissants, cookie croissants, giant cookies that I don't even know if that counts as a cookie. But every trend in the last little while has been something big, over the top, and decadent. Dot cakes are honestly a nice change. Something familiar, something we already love, but just a little different. And because they're so simple, they're so easy to duplicate, meaning everyone's making them, meaning everybody gets to try it. Everybody gets to buy one and do their videos and post their Instagram stories. Personally, I think the simplicity of the dot cake is what helps its viralness. A lot of people are calling this trend overrated, but I think it's a breath of fresh air. If you think about it, the dot cake is just the younger sibling of the sprinkle cake. It's the thing that we already know and love, just presented in a new way to experience it. And honestly, this is not new. We've seen this trend already with cake pops and then cakesicles. Now, I do think that the weakest point of this trend is also its simplicity. Unlike the fruit pastries or the special croissants, this one is very, very easy for anybody to make at home for cheap. You don't need special tools or decorating skills of any kind, but hundreds are still being sold everywhere every day. Because the real question is, are you gonna do it? I could have done it. I could have done it easily, but I bought 2 dot cakes for the purpose of this video today when I could have made them. I got these for $9 each at a local bakery, and the original ones are $11 each for 8 ounces, I think. I'm not sure how big these jars are, but they're glass, they're reusable. That's pretty good. Because now it's time for the ASMR taste test component of the video. Okay, I'm gonna do the crunchy part. Look at that. That's the cake. I'm gonna eat it. And hopefully we get a nice, satisfying crunch. My stomach made a sound.
Hi guys! Today we are back for another food review. Today I stopped by my local neighborhood farmers market called Whole Foods and picked myself up an entire bouquet of carrots. What?
Well, that was really yummy. So, what do I think of the dot cake trend? I think they're cute, fun, and it's a purely innocent trend that we can all partake in if we wish. Remember, at the end of the day, it's not life or death, it's just cake. It's literally just a dessert trend, so I better not see any people fighting in the comments section. But please leave lots of comments because they help my video. But for real, let me know what you guys think. Have you tried making the dot cake? Have you bought it? Have you eaten it? Let me know all of your thoughts and feelings. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing. Especially if you're new to my channel, welcome, I'm Alia. But that is all I have for today. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!